Hey guys, today I've got a quick up close look of this EzzDoo. This is an electric chainsaw sharpener. Going to save you a ton of time. If you're filing your chainsaws by hand, that's going to take forever. So this is meant to speed up that process. Everything that comes in the box here, we have the main unit itself, adjustable speeds right here, which is cool to see. Typical kind of Dremel, so you hold this to lock the chuck and then you can install your different bits in here, let go, and then you're good to go. And then you have your power switch right here, and this just plugs into a standard AC outlet right there. Here we have our little chainsaw thing right here. You can see it's got the degree of which kind of angle you're going for. Then we've got the different polishing / sharpening bits for the Dremel themselves. These all just go in like that. And then you've got a couple pieces with springs right here. Additionally, you've got, I believe these are wrenches. Yeah, a variety of wrenches right here to adjust it, anything if you need to, and some instructions on how to use it. So check it out, guys. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.